Alexa, turn on the floor light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the webcam.
Okay.
Alexa, play my message.
Hey Isabella, this is Jaden. Do you want to see a movie tonight?
Alexa, turn on the TV.
My killer is coming back.
Alexa,
And when
volume
he
down by
does,
13 on TV.
I'm gonna be ready.
Alexa, change channel to Fox on TV.
Welcome back to Hannity. President Trump has been very vocal about the unprecedented number of government leaks since taking office. And yesterday, the Senate Homeland Security and Government...
Alexa, turn off the floor light and TV in half an hour.
Jakcom HC2 is made of white ceramic. It's covered by matte stone glaze. It can receive electric energy from bottom. Internal heating, no hot to touch. It's applicable to QR wireless chargers of 18 watts or above. Jakcom HC2 can keep warm any drink to 55 degrees. Just drink slowly without worry about cooling. Jakcom, just be the better for you.
Aqara water leak sensor. Aqara water leak sensor detects water leak and flooding and monitors the status of water leak. When the water leak or flooding occurs, it sends an instant alert notification via app. It also works with other smart accessories to automate your home. Open Aqara Home app, tap Home, and then tap Plus to enter Add Accessory page. Select Aqara water leak sensor. If the hub makes voice prompts,
ready to connect to child devices.
Long press the reset button for 5 seconds until the blue light blinks 3 times and then release. When hearing the hub voice prompt,
child device connected,
the accessory is successfully added to the network. After the accessory is added, you can check the accessory status in the Aqara Home app or in the Apple Home app. Single press the reset button on the accessory at your desired location. If the hub makes voice prompts,
normal link confirmed,
it indicates that the accessory can communicate effectively with the hub. Option 1. Place it directly on the surfaces that require monitoring. Option 2. Use a hexagonal screwdriver to loosen the sensor probe. After the wire is connected, it can be used in more scenarios. The position of the sensor antenna is above the water drop icon. Open the Aqara Home app and go to the accessory list page. Single press the reset button on the accessory. The hub will prompt,
normal link confirmed.
In the app, the corresponding accessory icon will flash, confirming the match between the actual accessory and the corresponding accessory in the app. Prepare a brand new CR2032 cell battery. Prepare a coin. Aim the coin at the dent on the cover of the water leak sensor and rotate it counterclockwise to open the battery cover. Remove the existing battery by hand or with a non-metallic tool. Place the new button cell battery in the battery slot. Please make sure that the positive side of the battery should face upwards. Align the battery cover with the accessory and use the coin to rotate the battery counterclockwise until the battery cover is secured while both markers are on a straight line. The battery cover is successfully attached.